So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to format your PC and install Windows 10 in your PC and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your start menu and then click on this settings button, then click on update and security, and then click on recovery option. Here just click on get started and then click on remove everything, then click on local reinstall and then click on change settings. Then make sure these both options are turned on. After that, click on confirm, then click on next and then click on restart. Once you do this, it will take some time to do the process. Let it complete and then it will automatically restart. After restarting, you'll see that it has a fresh installation of Windows 10 and you just have to set it up for yourself again, and once you do that, you'll be ready to use. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problems still occur, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.